बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum class 7. Today we will learn unit 7 financial arithmetic and we will going to solve exercise number 7C. It's question number 1, 2 and 3. Now students, we are going to start the question number 1. Heather owns a factory that has a value of rupees 2 crore. If the property tax rate is 2%, how much property tax should Heather pay? Students, Heather owns a property of rupees 2 crore and the rate of property tax is equal to 2%. Heather paid property tax, it will be equal to 2% of the amount or the value he owns, that is 2 crore. Students, 2% can be written as 2 by 100 multiplied by 2 crore, 0000 के साथ cancel. So, ये आ गया आपके पास 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs multiplied by 2, it will be equal to 40 lakhs. So, students, Heather paid property tax of rupees 40 lakhs. It is your required answer. Now students, we are going to start the question number 2. Mrs. Imran owns 2 plots of equal worth. Like she is owning 2 plots of equal worth. Like दोनों plots की जो value है वो same है. The property tax rate is 2% और जो property tax rate है वो कितना है 2% है. If she paid rupees 15,000, अगर उन्होंने 15,000 rupees pay किया as a property tax last year, property tax pay किया last year, what is the value of each plot owned by her? तो वो जो plot own कर रही हैं उनमें से हर plot की value कितनी है? Now students, as given in the question, Mrs. Imran paid tax for 2 plots is equal to 15,000. It means that वो each plot के लिए कितना pay कर रही होंगी? 15,000 divided by 2, it will be equal to 7,500. Now students, rate of property tax is given. It is equal to the 2%. Let the value of each plot will be equal to y. So Mrs. Imran paid tax for each plot will be equal to 2% of the value of each plot. Now students, वो each plot के लिए tax कितना pay किया था उन्होंने 7,500. 2% means 2 by 100 और each plot की value हमने let की थी y, it will be equal to y. 100 divide हो रहा है, इधर आके multiply होगा, 2 इधर multiply हो रहा है, इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा divide. So it can be written as y is equal to 7,500 multiplied by 100 by 2. Students, cutting होगी, 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100, 50 multiplied by 7,500. So it will be equal to 3,75,000. So the value of each plot will be equal to rupees 3,75,000. It is your required answer. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 3. Vahaj buys a pizza for rupees 800. A week later, the same pizza cost rupees 900. Like last week जब वहाज ने पिज़्ज़ा बाय किया तो इसकी कॉस्ट थी 800 और जब इस वीक में वहाज ने पिज़्ज़ा बाय किया तो इसकी कॉस्ट हो गई 900. When Wahaj asked the manager for the reason, he explained that the government has imposed a general sale tax on all the restaurants. What is the general sale tax percentage? स्टूडेंट्स, जब वहाज ने मैनेजर से पूछा कि लास्ट वीक इसकी कॉस्ट 800 थी, अब ये 900 का हो गया, तो मैनेजर ने उसको रीज़न बताई कि गवर्नमेंट ने रेस्टोरेंट पर जनरल सेल टैक्स इम्पोज कर दिया है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट कि कितना परसेंट जनरल सेल टैक्स इम्पोज किया गया है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वहाज बाइज अ पिज़्ज़ा, इट विल बी इक्वल टू रुपीज 100. आफ्टर 1 वीक इट विल बी इक्वल टू 900 rupees. So tax on pizza will be equal to 900 minus 800 will be equal to 100. Like tax on pizza कितना हुआ 100. Let the rate of tax on pizza is equal to y. Like rate of tax on pizza कितना है y है. Tax on pizza will be equal to rate of tax on pizza multiplied by the cost of pizza. So the rate of tax on pizza will be equal to tax on pizza divided by the cost of pizza multiplied by 100%. Now students, tax on pizza is equal to 100 divided by the cost of pizza equal to 800 multiplied by 800%. So 0 के साथ cancel, 1 divided by 8 it will be equal to 0.125 multiplied by 100%. So rate of tax on pizza is equal to 12.5%. It is your required answer. Take care and Allah Hafiz.